Dear prestigious member, we got a lot of queries on migration. When, why, where, and so on. Considering all these points, I am here to explain all your queries. When? 22nd June 2020, migration process will start at 11 AM. Where? The migration process will start on www.atomy.com/in. Who are eligible to do migration? Indian resident, citizen who are already registered on Atomy Korea website are eligible to do migration. Why it is necessary? Without migration, you will not able to purchase product from Atomy India website, and you are not entitled to get commission. What need to be done? In this, you have to either check or update address, phone number, mobile number, email ID and spouse detail. Moreover, if you have joined before 14th November 2019, then you have to do PAN verification as well. How it has to be done? Firstly, you have to log in with your member ID and password. Then click on edit my account and you can do all the migration related activity. I will tell you in details, but before that, let me tell you one quote from Anne Saramas. Past cannot be erased, past cannot be changed, but sometimes life gives an opportunity to correct it. And the same thing Atomy India is doing right now. The members who register 2 times with different IDs, or their spouse is having different ID, they can choose any one of them and process the migration steps. So let me tell you the detailed steps of the migration. Firstly, you have to go to www.atomy.com/in, log in with your credential, with your member ID and password. If you have forgotten your membership ID or password, you can follow these steps to retrieve it. And then click on edit my account. When you click on edit my account, a new pop-up will come. There you have to watch 2 videos. One, Atomy introduction. Second, Atomy compensation plan. After that, you have to scroll down, read Atomy direct seller agreement and give your consent. Then you further scroll down, read code of ethics and principles, and then you may give consent by clicking I agree. After that, you go to policies and procedures, read one by one, then you can click I agree button at the end. After that, you have to go through Atomy compensation plan, read that, then you can click I agree button at the end. Lastly, you may give consent on 2 boxes, that is acknowledgement and consent. And then when you click confirm button, you will be redirected to your basic information. That basic information will have your name, birth date, PAN number, education center name. Those things you cannot change. After that, if you want, you can change your mobile number and phone number. After that, there is an address box. If you are doing your address verification through Aadhaar card, so my request is not to change anything right now. But if you are doing through voter ID, passport or driving license, then you can change right now put your PIN code, then city, district and state will pop up automatically. After that, you can check or change your email ID. Then go to the next portion, that is address proof verification. From the drop box, either you can choose Aadhaar card or you can choose one among passport, voter ID and driving license. If you choose Aadhaar card, then you have to put your Aadhaar number, then click on generate OTP. Once you get OTP on your mobile, input this OTP and click on verification, and that's it. Your verification is done on real-time basis. But if you are doing address proof verification to voter ID, passport or driving license, then you have to select any one of them, input the number and attach scan copy of the document front and back page. After that, you have to scroll down further. You may give your consent on all the 4 points related to address proof. In the next part, you can update your spouse detail or you can include spouse detail if it is not already included. You have to input the name, PAN number and mobile number. Then once you click confirm button, the process is done. It is so simple. If you have joined before 14th November 2019, then you have to do one more step, that is the PAN verification. Input your PAN number and click on verification button. Your name will pop up. And that's it. You will get 6 months to complete the migration. If you successfully complete the migration, then you can purchase the product from Atomy India website and entitle for the commission. If you don't do this, then your ID will be blocked for 1 more year and you will not able to rejoin or purchase product from Atomy. So my sincere request to everybody, complete your migration as soon as possible. Thank you.